Okay, so this is the Biamp Canvas software, and this is in its like demo mode, and this is the configuration that I built for the previous system I showed you. So when I connect to the router and the Tesira Forte over Wi-Fi, I usually don't have the Tesira application open. I make all my changes on the Canvas software, which is like more of a control surface. I have a couple pages. This is my input and crossover page. And I have another page for the EQ section, another page for the leveling section and delay. So starting at the first page, the input stage EQ, master EQ is here. Again, I'm not connected to the system, so it's not showing you the actual parameters of things. When you connect, it automatically updates the parameters with what the current settings are and shows you what's going on. So yeah, I've got my high pass filter for here, master high pass, and then my crossover. And then on this side, basically I have like a level section like duplicated. So like no matter what page I'm looking at, I can control the levels, which is cool. And this is a simple mixer. You can see master input section here, metering, mute, level, move the level up and down. It shows me what my level is. I can type in a value. Cool. And mute for each section. Again, this is like the my sub. This is the house sub, so I can have those set independently. Set levels for each. Okay. And you don't have like a lot of control over what these look like. There's some control, like you can change some things about how these faders look. You can't change a lot about the way these EQ looks. You can change the size of things, um, but it doesn't give you like a ton of options. But it's fine. Like it's great. Okay. Going over to this is my kind of master EQ section, so I can see what all my EQs at for like front EQ, rear EQ, EQ on the subwoofer line. Same level section over here. And then this is again kind of similarly just another version of the output, the leveling at the various stages, master, front and rear, the subwoofers. And I have my delays here. You can have these be in milliseconds, in feet, in meters, centimeters, inches. I just keep it in milliseconds. You can type in a value. You can bump it up and down. Resolution's pretty good. Down to 0.1. I think you can, yeah. I'm not sure how granular you can go, but decent. And then these are actually the physical outputs. So if I want to boost one speaker higher or lower, I can do that here. And then I've also included like a totally raw output if I want to use an output for recording or sending out to another room. So that's also available here. Got inversion. You can set the dB scale of the full scale dB here as well. And that's basically it. Like I don't have anything else that I really need to control physically on the processor. I mean, I could add stuff, but I'm pretty happy with how this works. So this is yeah, this is the control surface, and then this is on actually like a Panasonic Toughbook, which is a laptop that you can turn into a surf. It works as a Surface tablet too, so it's like touchscreen. Um, so I'm like touching it with my finger right now. Um, so that is my demo of Biamp Canvas for sound systems.